Hello Twisters! Today I just wanted to show a few of my new additions to the Sterling Silver collection. So, a few of these are going to be first looks. A few of these are going to be first look just for you. They're not even on my Etsy shop yet. A few of these have just been listed last night. So, let's go through them, shall we? Alright, take a closer look here. So this one we have a little petite design there on a single twisted band. This one is a first look. I haven't even listed it on Etsy yet. Take a little look at that band. This is adorable. I mean, they're all quite lovely and stunning and cutesy in their own little way. So we have that one. This will be listed very soon. If you like any of these rings, feel free to message me. I can pull them from Etsy, or you can go to Etsy and if they're listed already on Etsy, you can purchase them there. If it's a first look like this one and you want it, just message me and it'll never even see Etsy. I'll just send you a little invoice through PayPal and it'll be yours. Okay, let's see. By the way, this one here, this one's going to go, by the way, these are all sterling silver, mind you. All sterling silver. Okay? So this one's going to go for $54.95. $54.95 on this one. And then we have this one, and the prices will be listed once I get them up there. So if you forget the prices or whatnot, no big deal. We'll go over them again later. This one sits a little bit higher. This is more of a high profile ring. It's got if you look at the band, it is the double band on this one, and it's got the angles in the band, which gives it a little bit extra flair there. If you look at there, isn't that cute? Just kind of picks up from the top of the ring. Really nice ring. This one's $64.99. All sterling, 925 sterling. Okay. Then we have this one. This one is on Etsy. And I believe I have it for $65. If I'm off in the price, it'll probably be less. It won't be any more than that. So go check it out. Then we have these two here. This first one is not on Etsy yet. This is a first look. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? This also has the bended band on it. It is a double band. This would come in at $54.99 or $95. This is what I would price this in Etsy for, the first one. As well as the band behind it. Now this sits not too high. It's a medium profile ring. It's a really good looking ring. Nice and shiny. That's what we love about the sterling silver. They've got a really nice rich shine to them. So behind there we have these really nice beefy bands with these really interesting low profile designs on top. Can you see that? I've got another one on this finger. Slightly different. The bands are pretty much virtually the same, with slightly different low profile designs on the top, but we'll get to that one. Look at the bottom of that ring band. I would consider these bands, honestly, these back two, I would consider these to be unisex. So I do believe a male could wear these back rings. And then we have the front one there. Again, that's just so pretty. It's so pretty. And then we have this one here. This one is a first look. It is not on my Etsy shop yet. Double band. This one's going to be $54.95 as well. And then we have the other right there. And you can see the low profile design on that one. So again, these are all sterling silver. Go check out my other sterling silver. When you log into my Etsy shop, you will be able to see all the different departments from the main page. You will see sterling silver, and that everything in that section will obviously be sterling silver. So go check it out. Go look at all my pretty things. The holidays are coming. Remember, you can buy mass-produced things from your local retailers, or you can buy individually made things made with love right here in America. Buy something a little extra special to give to someone for the holidays, or treat yourself to something a little extra special. So till next time, loves, hugs, kisses. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please share it out so we can get as many eyes on this channel and my Etsy shop as possible. I sure do appreciate it. Till next time, bye-bye.